While you make up your mind, how about I tell you what you can get from me, Andy Belfleur?
I had to make up this whole thing at work.
You're practically married to Svetlana, so I don't want to say anything now that I can't take back later if you're just gonna go home and make up. Because
I was trying to make up for letting him get away 7 years ago.
I remember a little boy always took time to make up his mind.
Make up. Used to. Talk about inventing something, creating a story, or becoming friends again after an argument.
Like make out with Gail.
I can only make out like shapes and shadows.
Make out. Used to talk about understanding something, seeing something with difficulty, or describing something.
He told me he was going to kill you and make off with the money.
I say we break into the place, trash the office, and make off with the records and say it was industrial espionage.
Only let her out for the big performance, I'm afraid. In case sinister forces should try to make off with her, you see.
Bernie ain't satisfied with the honest dollar he can make off the victim.
I get half of what we make off of it.
Make off. Used to talk about leaving quickly, especially after doing something wrong.
Active toys make for passive children.
and some we make for other people.
We could make for the Hidden Valley.
Make for. Used to talk about moving towards something or causing a particular result.
Then again, I don't know what to make of you and me either.
What are they going to make of it?
And I was wondering what Dumas would make of all this.
I don't know what to make of that.
What do they make of your public persona?
Make of. Used to talk about forming an opinion about something.
The old millstone, trying to make into a table.
We're all working steady, so we throw everything we make into the kitty and get a little organization into this marriage caper.
That's the character we'd make into Gorky.
Tastes like that candy that they sometimes make into pigs or little fruits.
So you got any more of them screwdrivers? Make into Excel keys?
Make into. Used to talk about changing something into a different form.
He must make over 1/2 of the fortune to her son Titus.
You can't make over the whole world.
I'm telling you, within a couple of months, they make over $1 million.
Okay, we drop the prom, we move up. Boys make over the nerdy guy.
She even started to make over me.
Makeover. Used to talk about changing the appearance of something or transferring ownership.
I'm on to you, trying to get me drunk and make away with my rifle, huh?
Make away. Used to talk about escaping quickly, less common, more formal or old usage.